This is a review of the XYZ iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to show you guys everything about this case cover. One of the few things I want to mention before I get started is that it offers a military grade protection. So if it falls down, it's going to protect it at a certain height. It depends on how high it is, the fall it is. And it says that precise cutouts, and it's the case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And also, it's compatible with MagSafe as well too, and you get full camera protection as well too, which is a huge plus right there. But yeah, without going further, we're gonna unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package, and from there, we're gonna test this out to see whether or not if this iPhone 17 Pro Max case is worth it. Okay, so I got the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the case out of the box, and you can see right over here, this is a Cosmic Orange, and I do own a Cosmic Orange iPhone that I'm going to be testing this out. And you can see one of the few things I love about this, just by, starting off the bat, is that it has the, protection on the lens, which is, that's very important to have because you want to make sure that if you own iPhone 17 Pro Max, you don't want to go damage the lens of right here. And I do love the fact that this case, it offers the protection that it needs right over here. So if it falls down, most likely it will protect it. And then another thing I love about this, this case is that it has a zigzag style, design. And it looks really, it looks, I love how it looks. And it looks, different compared to different iPhone cases. And another thing I love about this one is that it has a MagSafe around it right over here. So what that means is that when it comes time to charge it up, you could pretty much have the adapter that, plugs in right here and snaps in and charges up like that. You can have that here. So it's already built in of a MagSafe right over here. But yeah, now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to test this out on my iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange. And I want to show you guys the finished results. Okay, so I got the iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover on, and so far it looks absolutely beautiful. The videos doesn't do the justice on how beautiful it is. It pretty much matches with my Cosmic Orange iPhone, and you can see here it's like see-through as well to here too, where the MagSafe is, and it shows my Cosmic Orange color as well too. That's something I really like as well too. So it shows that you actually own a Cosmic Orange iPhone. And then from there, another thing I love about it is that the zigzag curve, it's not just about the looks, but it does the performance. And you know what I mean by the performance is that it offers the comfortability and stability of your iPhone 17 Pro Max. And that's something that is, extremely very important to have because you want to make sure that you have a good grip on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. And this right here, it does offer a lot of grip, and I could pretty much hold this and it's not going to go slip or fall the way I'm holding it. It really has a lot of grip on it, which I love. Maybe, that's why you see there's a zigzag curve. There's a reason behind that. And not just that, but like I told you guys, the camera lens protection is something very important to have, especially if you own an iPhone 17 Pro Max. You want to make sure you protect your camera lens from getting damaged. This does offer all that, to pretty much all the protection. But other than that, I absolutely am, amazed with it. I absolutely love this iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover. It changed the whole appearance and the looks of this iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you are looking for an iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover and you do own a Cosmic Orange iPhone, then I would definitely recommend the XYZ iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover. And not just that, but they offer different color options as well too. So if you own pretty much a blue one or any type of color or a white one, they offer the same color for that too. And this is right here for the Cosmic Orange. It really is a game changer. It changed the whole appearance of my iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover. And overall, I am absolutely happy with this case cover, and I would definitely recommend this to everyone that is wanting a good, change to your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Then this one right here is probably one of the best iPhone 17 Pro Max cases that you could get.